Today we're gonna make these traditional Greek cookies, kourabiedες, but today I've made them in little adorable Christmas shapes, so they're Christmas cookies. So to get started, we have preheated our oven to 350, and then we have toasted almonds. So if you get your almonds and they're not toasted, put them on a baking sheet, toast them in the oven. These are already toasted, so we're gonna put them in the food processor so we can chop them up. So now our almonds are ready. We're gonna leave those set aside, and we're gonna start with our butter. So I have a hand mixer here, and we're gonna beat our butter so it's nice and creamy. Next, we're gonna add our powdered sugar. Mix that together. Next, we're gonna add our vanilla. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And for our brandy, we're gonna do 2 teaspoons. You can do brandy or Ouzo. Add that in there. And 1 egg. And we're gonna mix this all together. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. So we have flour, and to our flour, we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we're gonna gradually add our dry ingredients to our butter. I'm gonna put some in there and start beating that together. So once you start adding in all the flour, it's gonna get hard to use the hand mixer. You could use your KitchenAid, but now I'm just gonna use my hands to mix the rest of the ingredients so that we can get the flour all incorporated with the butter before we fold in our almonds. Now that the dough is all, the flour and the butter is incorporated, now we're gonna add in our almonds. So we're just gonna fold those in anyway. I'm gonna add that in and mix this together. Okay, so we're gonna take our dough. We're here on the counter. We're gonna roll it out. So now you can use any cookie. Usually traditional is to roll the cookie like this, in a circle, and then you bake them, but like that. But we're gonna make them in Christmas shapes. So I have a little Christmas tree. Here we go. We've cooked our kourabiedες for about 20 minutes, nice golden brown color, and they're ready. So we have them down on parchment, and now we're gonna cover them in powdered sugar. But in Greece, we use a little rose water. We're just gonna kind of sprinkle them with some rose water before we put the powdered sugar on them. And then we're gonna take the powdered sugar and completely cover them. Look at these cookies. They look amazing. These are cookies that you can make ahead of time, 3 to 4 weeks, put them in an air-sealed container, and they will last you so that you can make them early in the holidays and then have them for the whole holiday season. I love these traditional cookies. I hope you guys try these at home and enjoy them. They are not a dainty little cookie to eat. They will make a mess, They are delicious. Check out my website, nikkiklekis.com, for some traditional Greek recipes, family favorite recipes, you name it, we've got it. Enjoy. Happy holidays.